dancing in your eyes, ocean breeze and purple painted skies, cabin windows glowing soft and low, your hand in mine, nowhere else to go. Wine glasses shining by the fading sea, every little smile pulling me so deep. Soft lips teasing underneath the moon, every heartbeat moving to a tune. Your touch turns darkness into golden light, you pull me close and make the world feel right. No more lonely roads, no more empty nights, only us beneath the stars so bright. I hear the sound of soul while we watch the sunset glow, barefoot dancing by the shore like we never need more. Your hand forever holding mine, bonfire burning through the night, laughing close with wine so slow, lost inside our little world. I hear my heart cry out for love in the sound of soul. Jacuzzi water steaming in the dark, your fingertips are leaving tiny sparks, slow kisses mixed with dangerous desire, wild nights burning hotter than the fire, holding hands while waves crash on the shore, every touch just makes me need you more, spoiling one another till sunrise, lost together in your emerald eyes. Your whisper makes the angels lose control, one taste of you awakens every soul. No fear, no pain, no tears left behind, just your heartbeat moving next to mine. I hear the sound of soul while we watch the sunset glow, barefoot dancing by the shore like we never need more. Your hand forever holding mine, bonfire burning through the night, laughing close with wine so slow, lost inside our little world. I hear my heart cry out for love in the sound of soul. Cabin walls shaking from a wild desire, moonlight reflecting in the fire, your body close, your heartbeat slow, a perfect kind of losing all control. Morning sunlight falling on your skin, I choose this life with you again and again. Every moment feels too beautiful to end. Lover, soulmate, passion, best friend.